raised to x. So how can we solve this for the value of x? Just divide both sides by 9 raised to x. So when we divide both sides by 9 raised to x, this and this gets cancelled. So we are left with 1 plus 15 to the x over 9 to the x equals to 25 to the x over 9 to the x. Then we have 1 plus, we can club 15 over 9 whole to the power of x equals to 25 and 9 is 5 square and 3 square all to the power of x. 1 plus, now this can be 15 over 9. If you simplify it as 5 over 3 to the power of x equals to 5 over 3 the whole square whole to the power of x. Now we have 1 plus 5 over 3 to the power of x, and just shuffle the powers. You can just keep it 5 over 3 whole to the power of x whole square. Now let 5 over 3 whole to the power of x equals to y. So let's substitute it back in the equation. 1 plus y equals to y square. So bring all the terms one side. Y square minus y minus 1 equals to 0. What is the value of a? A is 1, b is negative 1, c is negative 1. To use the quadratic formula, negative b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And let's substitute all the values. After solving, 1 plus or minus under root of 1 plus 4 over 2. So we have 1 plus or minus under root of 5 over 2. Now, as we have substituted y is 5 over 3 to the x, let's put it back. 5 over 3 to the x equals to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. So y is 5 over 3 to the power of x equals to 1 minus root 5 over 2. And let's apply this. Whenever you have b to the power of x equals to a, x is equal to log a to the base b. So here we have x is equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 to the base 5/3. And this side, x is equal to log to the power of 1 minus square root of 5 over 2 to the base 5/3 is not applicable because this side is positive, this side is negative, so it's not applicable. So here we are going to go with this solution. X is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 over log of 5/3, which is equal to 0.942 and so on.